Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video today, we'll be discussing about a very important technique in the field of project management, which is Kanban. Now, if you are planning to develop your career in project management with certifications such as the PMP, a good understanding of key project management topics is of utmost importance to build your overall profile. So that way, while the PMP certification gives you the right credibility, the knowledge about critical topics like the Kanban provides you with the required subject matter expertise. Now, I strongly believe, guys, the aim of this channel is not only to prepare you for project management certification exams, but also to help you grow your capability overall to become a better project manager. So this video will summarize the use of Kanban in project management and how you as a project manager can use this tool in your project to drive project success. But before delving into the specifics of Kanban, let me summarize what we are going to cover in this video. Number one, we'll start off first by understanding what is Kanban, okay? Next, we'll talk about the benefits of Kanban in project management. Moving on, we'll discuss how to implement Kanban in your projects. Next, we'll touch upon how to optimize the use of Kanban in project management. And finally, we'll discuss a few best practices in the industry when it comes to the Kanban way of project management. So if you are excited to learn about Kanban as a project manager, give this video a like and let's get the discussion started. So, what is Kanban and how is it linked to project management? Kanban is a Japanese term that translates into visual signal and is used to describe a system that can help organizations manage flow of work and track progress. It all started in the early 1940s when the first Kanban system was developed by a management strategist, Taiichi Ohno, for Toyota Automotive Company in Japan. This proved to be a great way to optimize workflows, reduce waste, and increase productivity. Initially, Kanban was created as a simple planning system, the aim of which was to control and manage work and inventory at every stage of production optimally. But over decades, Kanban has evolved on the principles of continuous process improvement and has helped organizations identify areas for improvement and make sure the tasks are completed within a certain time frame. Consider Kanban as a system which can enable you as a project manager to manage the workflow to complete a task visually during a project execution. It has been seen that by using Kanban in project management, projects can significantly improve their efficiency and productivity, and as well as ensure that tasks are completed on time and to the highest standards. Next, let's talk about what are the key benefits of the Kanban way of project management. So project management can be a complex and challenging process if not managed the right way, okay? Now, one of the most effective and efficient ways to organize, manage, and deliver projects in a dynamic environment where teams are dispersed across locations or where the scope is ever evolving is with Kanban. Kanban is a system designed to help teams plan, manage, and track progress in a more streamlined and organized way. Now, here are 5 key benefits of Kanban for the project manager if it is used the right way. So, Kanban provides an improved flow of work within teams even if they are virtually located. Secondly, it provides greater visibility of tasks across team members. Next, Kanban provides the ability to prioritize tasks which are delayed by creating a visual signal. Number 4, it provides increased flexibility of workflow which is the key for agile and hybrid projects. And finally, Kanban provides improved communication and collaboration within teams. Next, let's talk about how to implement Kanban in projects. Now, Kanban is generally implemented in project management through the utilization of a Kanban board. This board is a visual representation of the tasks that needs to be completed and the tasks that have been already completed. It is a great way to stay on top of tasks, prioritize tasks, and manage resources more effectively. This board is usually made up of cards that are divided into columns representing each stage of a project. As tasks are completed, they move to the right side of the board. This visual representation helps teams to stay organized and be aware of the progress they have made. Additionally, with Kanban, teams can also set limits on the number of tasks they can work on at a time, thus reducing multitasking and increasing focus on one task at a time. Now, I hope you have heard about the software platforms like Monday.com or Trello, right? Both Monday.com and Trello, the two very popular project management software platforms, makes it easy to implement Kanban with their intuitive user interfaces. They also provide features such as customizable boards, labels, and task cards to help teams manage their workflows. With features like these, teams can easily organize tasks by column and manage deadlines, tasks, and constraints very easily during a project execution. Moving on, let's talk about how Kanban can be applied during a project optimally using a Kanban board. The first step is to break down the project into a timeline with actionable tasks. This will allow you to identify the tasks that needs to be completed and how much time they will take. Once you have the timeline and the tasks, you can create a Kanban board that will help you visually organize the tasks, prioritize them, and track progress. The Kanban board should have columns for each step of the task, such as to-do tasks, in-progress tasks, and completed tasks. You can also create swim lanes or rows to organize tasks into related categories. Finally, you can add deadlines and assign tasks to each of your team members in a project. Now, these are general guidelines to design a Kanban board and can be tailored according to the project needs and requirements as long as the intent stays the same. Next, let's touch upon a few best practices in the industry that are followed currently in the Kanban way of project management. Firstly, you need to make sure that your Kanban boards are visible to the entire team so that everyone can stay updated on the project's progress. Have a designated person such as your project support officer or your associate project manager who will keep the board up to date. This method of visually communicating the status update for a project is extremely effective to drive accountability within your team members. Secondly, include a card on your Kanban board for each task and use the card to include all relevant details such as the task due date, resources needed, and any other task-specific information. Finally, set up a workflow process that will ensure tasks are moving efficiently and review the Kanban board regularly to ensure that tasks are progressing as per your baseline schedule. Now, it's important, guys, to note that the Kanban boards provide a snapshot of a particular section of an entire Gantt chart of a project. Okay, the whole project schedule is not tracked in a Kanban board. So once tasks of a particular section are complete, the Kanban board is updated to display the next section or the next level of tasks from your main Gantt chart. I hope you liked the video, guys, and it gave you a basic understanding of how Kanban works and how you can use it as a project manager in your projects to drive excellence. Please subscribe to my channel PMP with Ray for more helpful and updated contents like these on project management. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon in another video like this on this channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.